Every day I'm forced to live in a world without Kira. Every day I miss her.
On the 6th anniversary of her only child's murder, Jacqueline Franchetti of Manhasset is ramping up her crusade to reform the family court system that she says allowed her daughter Kira to fall through the cracks.
Our family court system is set up to protect the abuser and not the child, and that must end.
At 2 years old, Kira was shot to death by her father, who then killed himself by setting his house on fire. It happened in 2016 during a court-sanctioned visit with the father. Franchetti says the judge in their custody battle ignored her repeated warnings.
And Kira's murder was 100% preventable.
Kira's case is not an isolated event. Franchetti says Kira is one of 20 children in New York to be murdered by a parent while going through a custody case, separation, or divorce since 2016.
This doesn't need to happen to another child or another family. We can change this.
Franchetti is calling for the passage of Kira's law. It would require the court to consider a child's safety when making a decision regarding child custody and visitation, and mandate judges to take part in training to handle cases of domestic violence and child abuse. Kira's murder inspired 7 companion bills, one mandating training for forensic child custody evaluators passed in June. The others are expected to be voted on early next year.
There is bipartisan. This is not something that impacts Democrat families or Republican families. This impacts all of New Yorkers.
And this cannot happen to another child, to another family, or to another community.
Franchetti says she won't stop fighting until the bill named in her daughter's memory becomes law. In Mineola, Virginia Huey, News 12, Long Island.
And News 12 did call the New York State Court of Appeals for comment about the proposed reforms to the family court system. We have not heard back yet. We'll keep an eye on that.